Hello guys, today we're talking about the Xiaomi Truclean W20 wet and dry vacuum, and it really feels like a device designed to make everyday floor cleaning easier and more complete. The biggest difference is that it combines vacuuming and washing in one smooth process, so instead of sweeping dirt around or mopping after vacuuming, it lifts dust, crumbs, pet hair, and sticky residue all at once. From the first pass, floors look fresher because mess is actually removed, not just pushed into corners. What stands out right away is how controlled the movement feels. The vacuum glides forward with steady resistance, keeping the roller in constant contact with the floor for an even clean instead of patchy streaks. Over time, you start to notice that floors stay cleaner longer because the dirt gets collected in the dirty water tank, while fresh water stays separate in the clean tank. That clean water and dirty water separation adds a strong sense of hygiene, which is especially important in homes with pets, kids, or heavy foot traffic. For daily use, the Xiaomi Truclean feels practical and simple to maintain. The water flow is well balanced, so floors never feel overly wet, meaning you don't have to worry about long drying times. Suction is strong enough for everyday debris, while the rotating brush helps lift residue that normal dry vacuums often miss. Using it is straightforward. You start by removing the clean water tank, filling it with water, and the recommended cleaning solution, then locking it back into place. Make sure the dirty water tank is empty and properly installed. Once both tanks are secure, you press the power button and tilt the handle back to activate the rotating brush. Then you clean by pushing the vacuum forward slowly, letting the roller wash and suction at the same time. Moving at a steady pace gives the brush time to break down dried spills and collect grime effectively. Pulling it back smoothly helps pick up leftover moisture without leaving marks, and guiding the head carefully along edges ensures full coverage. After you're done, you turn the unit off, return it to the base, empty and rinse the dirty water tank, and then activate the self-cleaning function so the roller stays fresh and ready for the next use. Overall, the Xiaomi Truclean Wet and Dry Vacuum delivers a hygienic, efficient, and truly convenient way to keep hard floors looking spotless every day.